tumi abo Atalanta enso ehye ne Camino a wentumi ensimu agye into ono so guso a edankan first position having played 26 games no ono so ekutamba no 68 points and okuta ededa soro International de Milan enso ekutamba no 50 points na chese ne no they are also 18 points adrift Napoli enso ewo league log no so eno ne kakra no so eba de otoso miensa eye SSC Lazio ono so ekutamba no 49 points and Association Calcio de Milan eni eye defending champions no womu kita 47 points a womu etoso and Juventus eni nemu a waba befremu ewa 7th position ono so eda mano beye say 38 points and ono so ekuta ewo relegation say netie Sampdoria 20th anoda 12 points Cremonese eho na Ghana nia branch Felix Onhene Afenejan enso esi akan 19th position 12 points na womu kuta ana Chievo Verona enso ekuta mbano 19 points womu so eda 18th we na relegation no womu so ebetumi akọ 1 to 2 omunoma ya de enso yedini nyina no enso ede to go home yebefremu enso La Liga Santander ni aka akọhwe se de enyoma so no esi ekoye ehormo na La Liga no unso uhwemu anu se Endrada ana FC Barcelona league leaders no enso etumi abohwemu ewo Bilbao ekowini sa game no enso emanu oma etumi ekonkan ho na nei uhwe league table no a eno so se na tie ewo La Liga FC Barcelona having played 25 games no womu so ekuta 65 points and womu kuta Real Madrid to so mienu 56 points na chese 9 points adrift eni FC Barcelona ana womo ko Atletico de Madrid reto so miensa ono so ekuta ma no 45 points enso elho Real Sociedad eto so 9 ono so 45 points na say we no top 4 teams a womo so ebon ho modern se ombonya European sport na womo so etumi abo ewo UEFA Champions League come what be 2023-2024 enso ewo La Liga hihye no so yenrem wo relegation no say netie uremu a Hitafe ana say Elche ono wekura 20th 13 points uremu on 19th na Ameria no so 25 points and ono so da 18th position eye Hitafe ono ekuta no 26 points and ono so ekuta hono we no mo na nei wo so pre relegation no amani o etumi akọ top scorer chart urema Robert Lewandowski ono ekuta goals no 15 goals ana washe ana branch friend Unal ono esi akama Hitafe ono so ekuta 12 ana Joselu enso esi akadema Espanyol ono so ekuta 12 na Igo Aspas Karim Mustafa Benzema ene branch friend Boja Iglesias wo nyina 11 goals ana wo so ekuta enso ho yebewremu enso arguably the best league and the most exciting league in the world but before then Endra Barcelona enya that emphatic victory na wo twen ene team my friend Real Madrid 9 points clear no papa your friend Kelvin Hernandez ono no giremu as manager na say coach enso edema FC Barcelona ono so describe wo modern bo so far said Unioma ewo Barcelona camp
again. We suffer too much, especially because we could have scored the second one again. We didn't score, and then we suffered at the end. It's normal. It's San Mamés. It's very difficult stadium, but very important win for us. 3 points. We maintained the distance of 9 points up to Madrid. So very happy and satisfied.
Yes, into a happy pie. Yes, and 9 points in the one with the 2 massa or Cononsun Kavi and then someone. Chafi Hernandez said the air to go. Mark Andre Testegen, or known as he said, Remo La Liga. They are 19 solid clean sheets and a way to me in 25 games. Way to me at and so at Yama FC Barcelona. Ewa La Liga, Nimunetches is a party and then we are Cody Glove no penny friend. Mark Andre Testegen and so you to me at the best goalkeeper no in La Liga. Nani Omansu to me a concono so in Sam Kakra, to go and dance on man of the match and also as Okoman Yentino.
We suffered a lot, but at the end we now 9 points ahead, and we enter into a Clásico, which is always something really special, and we have it in our hands at home. And I think with the support of the fans, we can do something great, and I hopefully it will be at the end that we escape for 12 points. This time I think it's the work of everyone, as we did already in the past weeks and months. In the league, I think we are doing great defensively, and this is what we need to do at the end, no? Because we know how to suffer now, and we defend well, and I'm happy for them.
enti mark 100 is charging and ono so yede air to go so enye ne nkwa so that post num kwa na emomu no central defenders no defense no midfield any attack obibia together collectively wo mu nyina defend ye amandra victory no etumi ebai because usi akan pa na goalkeeper eje man of the match penalty said the attacking threat from any the opponent no na said na no odin no ja wom electric pa na etumi ball pani so a endro etumi ebo no homoten edipo FC Barcelona amani o ma etumi ekonkan ehwo a ono so yede asem ni nyina no enso edi etuga ye bebremu e the best league and the most exciting league in the world arguably eno the English Premiership no results out bia enso etumi atutu odwa kama manioma so no etumi konkan Arsenal the Gunners ekokopie mu Fulham a wo mkwochekere kan porporo miensa enso edi so Fulham wo entumi ensimu ajenenu na Mikel Arteta enso edi nsem kakra etuga se se Arsenal fans no eduma wo mo bo enya Arsenal fans pa anka Ebeneza baby ya bedui anka yenye ndruo.
I don't know. I will be singing with them to support the team. That's for sure. They've been exceptional. Like when the amount of people that we are coming here, their attitude, the passion, the energy that they're putting in, it's incredible, and we're gonna need that, and that's a game changer for us. So thank you.
Enti eno no chese fans no mwa yeduma wo support na anodin yi papa eno ne nsem a Mikel Arteta enso ebo ede ache Arsenal fans nya so no so da wo mase se ne o mantumi enkonka o san so ede nsem kakra enso etugo for no ane ho any team no emodembo ho.
I don't know, but I'm really happy that we won today. If it's the 100, hopefully there will be many more. It's earning those wins and having a team that you feel that follows us in everything that we try to do and that you feel identified with. That's for me the most important.
Yes, eno ne nsem kakra eno so no Mikel Arteta etumi ede etuga ehonoma jepo ma tiefo nso etumi atina Manchester United wo Old Trafford wo motonsa ede fresh Southampton the Saints ama game no etumi ekoso 90 minutes 0-0 and etumi ekoso bibia entumi anto atra na enumu ana beye 30th minute wo baby abrante ye frɛ no Casemiro Enrique enso wo mutumi show no red card bia okoye attack bia na chese ensem fatakra red card no etumi ekoma no enumu no openia ye frɛ no Eric Ten Hag dia ba betu go say we dey mu awirem papa the inconsistency in never room what VAR referees EPO no every week now and then mistakes out on ana wo ye
consistency and the players don't know anymore what is the policy, and I think it's all across. When you see this weekend the Premier League, yesterday Leicester Chelsea, then it's VR is not coming on the line. Today it's coming on the line, and then it's coming a penalty, two penalty situations, but they don't come on the line. I think especially the first one, I think for me was clear and obvious handball. So what is the policy?
Enone ensema Eric Ten Hag enso etumi ade to go say massa policy ben chese the VAR referees ni yane de not enye enone ensem kakra openi ni so etumi ade to go o kire mu say massa wo hwe mu pa de Chelsea kra na wo sanka Chelsea enya record and I say Leicester City enya record intia Chelsea dano aye bo game no e wo ho na mmom no wo hwe tackle bi e call abrante friend no Joao Felix so a wo mo ntumi show record ba Casemiro de wo mo ntumi show the record na kire say massa the inconsistency ewo in the VAR room wonom referees no wo modembo no ewo fempa eno ne nsem a openi no enso etumi edi etuga Manchester City enso ekobohuremu enso ewo Sehu Parker abrante friend no Ellen Brotherland penalty power no no so nya 1 goal ba akopɛ edi ama Manchester City wo munya victory no ama nyoma etumi ekonkan Joseph Pep Guardiola ekeyi kire yen.
Arsenal are the favorites because they are up front. They have 5 points up front, but now 2. We'll see tomorrow. So they are making an incredible first leg. They drop a little bit, but they come back again. They have the many years no win the Premier League, and they give you this extra that give you win games in 93, 96, 98. So that is the something they have that we don't have because we won back-to-back 2 times.
Yes, and then some Joseph Pope Guardiola the ababe to go just say hey they were fee Arsenal one more consistent na said dia one winning games in the corner the heading a betting papa pass Manchester City and so betumi atena ho na say Arsenal betena we lose games say Manchester City and so catch up so na wo hwemu a inconsistency so no e wo Manchester City so one winning simu no kire say definitely one so betumi a drop point heading pa fee e de man no say nei obetumi so retain league no and then some Joseph Pope Guardiola and so etumi adi two ga yebo ameti fonso no etumi ati Thomas Tepate ubekaya enche ye kra okwo injiri kakra ma be ye 3 matches bi na Arsenal extra goals skirmishes ni o man koye enfama wendrada abrante ni boss midfield amani o ma etumi ye konkan Thomas Tepate.
The team is really working hard. We go game after game, and every game is important for us. We try to, give our best and try to win every game as we can. And at the end, we need to earn the right to win. And the team is really working hard to be able to win the games. Well, I think I have to concentrate on my work. I'm really happy, to be at least seen by some people, and I think the most important is to keep helping the team, which is the mentality I have, and also to work on myself.
Thomas Tepate and ne ono so den sem outdona and so etu as a massa womu ye very very focused pa e wo league na womu dasro na say game after game womu make sure say ni nyina womu ebetumi apeke the correct maximum points no na ni nyina etumi aboa wo mo course na wo mutumi awie ne league no ama ne o ma etumi akonkan eho ne mom no ankasa nso no ye adwuma ahwe ni mu se ono nso ne o ma betumi akono nkan ama no na ne o ma nso etumi akonkan e dia ma ase na nyina na wabo adwuma na ne o ma nso etumi aye kama Vitality Stadium eho ana Liverpool after trashing Manchester United by 7-0 last weekend wo mo ba be pie mu this weekend na je se ne o ma etumi age wo mo lose by 1-0 judging Klopp
Setbacks are setbacks, so but we are in the situation we are because of the setbacks. That's how it is, and we are in the situation we are because of the good performances as well. So we didn't have only setbacks, but we had too many. That's clear. Today was a proper one, no doubt about that. Now we have to deal with it. We will deal with it. It's one thing we learned in this season to deal with setbacks, but then. We have to make sure we recover properly because on Wednesday we have obviously a big game as well.
You know, say my judging close setbacks are setbacks. Na just say massa, ya she 7 but I'm fine. No just say massa, ya massa normal, normal. Into bibia and come do bia fan akuma and so and to niem na kan nyoma so no and to me ankon kan fama Liverpool and then sema papa your friend judging Klopp and so to me there too ga Graham Potter the Billy Graham in world football esanso aka ne hu bio ye opani na sifam ebu adwuma okovremu e wo Kim Power Stadium China 4 team okoho ekobo Kamiensa womo etimu bako Graham Potter and so to me praising the team no and so far gradually modern kakra Chelsea eguso ebono.
Really positive week for us. 3 wins, a determined win against Leeds and an important victory against Dortmund in the Champions League, and then to back it up with a victory here away from home in the Premier League says a lot about the developing, I think, spirit, developing togetherness we have at the club with the team. So we're delighted with that. It's a hard-fought game, as they always are, and especially away from home in the Premier League, very complicated. But in the end, I thought we had enough quality to win.
Yes, and then Enzema Graham Potter, the Billy Graham in world football, and so to me Eddie Tuga, and so El Honoma Fanta victory Chelsea to me Kunya Working Power Stadium no, and so Yepame Tifons no to me at Tibina say said the Cano Uremu El England the Premiership Nimu all referees. Next say best power Premier League in the crowd, young referees no one so Jumbo Kaka say Uremu England a jet dem kitty and open all the portals will be VAR referees in the referees obia ejene home na nature say dubious decisions in nyoma bia wo ya enkonkan eno kwa ho nsem ana legend mapa Jamie Redknapp enso edin nsem kakra etumi ade atugo say say no the way Amanfo use VAR ne party wo ma wo mutena VAR ne no not
I don't. We've got such an advantage with VAR. Just go and have a look at it. If it takes a minute or two, just go and have a little look at it and make up your own mind. How? Because otherwise you're just guessing. Andy Maddy cannot see it for the linesman is on the lines. The referee's official is on the other side as well.
Well, that's what
is such an important moment in this game that needs a little bit of time with the VAR monitor. What a big mistake.
Tony Harrington.
no VAR for no nature say referees we are masa motete VAR room no masa muntumi nyiye nioma bia basa say mistakes out no e ya to so ntene remo England ya oja dem papa to say their weekend ya bo bet power Premier League bia other various centers no so no Amanfo e ba be kan wo nsem no sa remo England de bia nyoi wo mukra wo mo VAR but masa enjo sa intino ya na mo dia chesa yawo bless no mo ne wo mo akeka na nioma so etumi akonkan kamandrada referee eso Domo Morrison anga yekunu wode amani o metumi akonkan enso e honoma yede ni nyina enso edieba other stories mu no na yemfa ensem ni nyina no eisia David Alaba onumso no nso etumi enya injury abra Real Madrid be pie mu e Liverpool na game no etumi ekoso na branche no o hwese de nioma eba na enya de obetumi aye fit enso Sunday esia Liverpool return encounter be koso e Santiago de Bernabeu Wednesday night no eno e UEFA Champions League branche no officially enya dia onu so betumi ginemu si akanta ma Real Madrid enti David Alaba absent was a particular game mu a yete ho sem ni nyina no enso eba in other news no Real Madrid ene wo motumi asend reps akwako piem Borussia Dortmund se ene mundi nkomo mo nhya sin twetwea ne yenhwe se sama yimu juna ya ebe transfer window no yenhwe se de enioma betumi akọ abrante ye friend Jude Bellingham yenhwe se de enioma nso no ebetumi akọ de afa no 140 million euros wo mo hwe ni mu se official fee no wo mo te 100 fixed ebetumi akọ na fi 40 no wo mo etumi aye ni bonuses ne ade etuatua e de ama Jude Bellingham osi akadema Borussia Dortmund enso e wo German Bundesliga enso e wo ne nsem a eno so free Real Madrid enso no aso ye eba Napoli wo mo coach a ye friend Luciano Spalletti enso etumi de aba betugo asa branch ye friend Kim Min-jae obeka Kim Min-jae a ono South Korea bra na wo mo ne Ghana Black Stars esi akan e wo FIFA World Cup Qatar ni mu no no so ginechire ho ebu adwuma pa na emu no wo mo concede goals amani wo metumi ekonkan na mo be piem e wo Napoli dia abrante ni modern bo a opo oni abrante ba kwa a ye friend no Ramani no masa 4-5 no kleke papa eno na Napoli aba bedu pepenso a wo mo nso etumi edu no nti opani ni dia tuga say Kim Min-jae no obetena papa na say de obetumi aka onka say one of the best, so he is the best central defender ewo Europe nyina eno ni sema Luciano Spalletti enso etumi e dia tuga ye bo amatiefo nso no etumi ate na Madrid official statement who remove Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 DJs GB enso dia ba beto so encheye ana eneno FC Barcelona enuoma bi beba ye say oh masa ukopima basa etumetuetu esike bi ama referee bi ni ade a enuoma ekonkan na enumu ana Madrid officially one the statement dia ba signed by one president dia ba Florentino Perez say masa wo mu ka ko ginemu wa trial na say wo mu bekobi Madrid for no nyina wo mu kobi na enei wo mu ankasa nso akosiki for justice because enya dia sa nioma na FC Barcelona ye ne de enkonkan kra nti se nei agbogbo abade a wo mu nso support ka kogirem de wo mu sika wo mu bibia kota echi na periperi yo enso etumi akoso na chese sanity etumi aba La Liga wo mu nso games ni mu eno ne nsem a Real Madrid enso de aba nti on Facebook ube mu se enei no official statement no so no eda ho a bibia nso no konkan kama eno nso ene kakra yetini nyina enso ede eba sanso ana FC Barcelona wo mu nso president Openi Florentino Perez and Madrid ede official statement by no nso de aba betu o de bida ye innocent o say FC Barcelona wo mu ye innocent wo mu for wo mu ho e wo corruption bia mu ye enti wo mu de wo mu twen de name panifo enso ebetumi aye bebia wo befre wo mu bia wo mu so betumi ababa be yi wo mu ano eno ne nsem a Juan Laporta president etema FC Barcelona enso etumi ede atuga amani o man so no etumi konkan Gabriel Jesus Arsenal player opra ya che pra je openini buy no World Cup ni mu a obaye no ontumi she dansi akan enfama Arsenal de Ghana ye nei endrada or return ye ebebo minute enso edema Arsenal wa bra wo mu nso ekopie mu ekohwini by 3 goals enso ewo hono enti Gabriel Jesus ono nso etumi aba oba bebo akoso no ama Arsenal nso no wo mu league title ambition no ni o ma etumi akoso kakra eno ne kakra ye de eba Steven Gerrard enje ye kra or ye Liverpool legend enje ye Anofri Scotland ekokochi Rangers eba be pie mu ewo Aston Villa wo premiership mu no oba ye no 27% winning rate ni o ma nkon kan poto kra ana ye born na ase konsase so tifi onye dwuma ye uhremu ewo Turkey Trabzonspor womo so enei womo no opani na twetwe nkoma ama Steven G enso etumi age atuma wakwako piemu ewo Turkey ento ankopem ananwumre ni ochena de ye de ba betuga officially opani ni betumi de nsa ahye krata ase assign contract as new manager edema Trabzonspor ewo the Turkey Super League ni mo na ni o ma etumi akwankan ne Steven G ono so ne nsem kakra eno so eba yedi ni nyina enso etuga Paul Abile possibility Pogba also call another month of injury injury Paul Abile Pogba oko injury pa nature say enioma brante no enioma nkonkan emfa mano enso eho enene kakra eno so eba oba yi 2 games kuro moy osanso ko enene kakra eno so efri ho a yedi ni nyina enso ede eba na be nwa kwan ama yedi amone ne nsem a ye bobu anu ni tew enso ebetumi apa na megemu di ama AK na efe dwumedi awodo na enso etumi atoaso.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again.
Alright, into the Emra Fiena Finson, Fian Como, Yamfantuaso, and Sono Mfamamo, when say over the weekend, Ghana Premier League matches Dodona, and Sonetumia Costo Division 1 League, and our Finsono, a year, Obepiemo, our Premantem, the Eastern Region, a year Football Association, yes, Eastern Region Division 2 League, and also matches 8 to me, a cost so match day 7 year Uramu, our Premantem, and our Finson, Eastern Region Division 2 League, you know, now Finson Yamfa results, you know. And so Enfama dia say and so and it's here Akropong United and so no etna fie and so no ese baako Akuffo dia yesu shan and to me antibaransa na no zigi yan ni say yanko ha na yanhwe eye Frankadua Bright Stars 1 Akropong United 0 Sansona Dream Chasers and so no Dream Chasers 3 Great Warriors 2 Akropong Rangers 1 Wild Dick FC 0 Sansona Bridge Warriors 1 Bazooka 1 Right to Dream Air Sporting Club 2 Real Akropong United 0 Wenum Eastern Region Air Second Division no Yanko PM ne ntwe ne se Akropong United so tena fie enso na Empire Brighton Spark ese ba Akuffo so shen entumi ante Sansona FC Amo 1 Okoman United FC 0 Akropong City FC 1 Akropong Warriors 2 Sansona the Storied Untold FC 4 Ojianoma FC 0 Port City FC 2 Storm Academy 0 and also Eastern Region matches na etwa so Ekopiemu Kotoku Rush SC 1 Aye Vatent FC 1 Bosome United 1 Kwabi Brem United 1 Hey so Kwabi United ne Kwabi Brem nyina da no am pre nyina mu nya Piemo Division 2 asamo Kai Storms FC 3 Atiase Janko Stars 0 Vidaco FC 1 Basco FC 1 Sansora Bobo Kwan Ding Ansori Techiman Warriors 1 3 Stars SC 0 Agape FC 1 United Black Eagles FC 0 African Talent FC 4 Adaisco United FC 0 Blue Skies Pelicans 1 Densu Rovers 0 Bobo Kwan Ding Ede Fotobiman FC 1 Adai okay, I'm going to say Adai Manchester 0 Unique FC 1 Champions FC 0 Sansona and then Golden Youth FC 2 New Jabin FC 2 Sky Boom FC 1 Action Boys 1 Heart of Eagles FC 0 Victory Aye FC 2 KAD Galaxies 1 Jamestown FC 1 Top Heroes 0 Living Dreams FC and so 1 where Eastern Region Second Division matches are now here and also no etumi akọ so and no yango PMO Division 1 League na fe so no yamfa results no emfenfi amfa Division 1 League Zone 1A results no say na tie Zone 1A ni mu Waya Sen 0 11 Wonders 0 Wasunta 4 Kumbungu BBM 0 Kasana Nankana and the BB United and also no beba so and Esther Fast and so no Ayamana FC ni yana beto drum and ne zone 1A ni mo yanko zone 1B na yemfa results and few there zone 1B anyway Berkuma Arsenals 1 and Kranza Warriors 0 Balfour Soccer Academy 0 Young Apostles 0 Bofakwa 2 Unity FC 0 Mighty Royals 2 BA United 0 way zone 1B zone 1B me bobo so sene easy abo results so no sabepe yanko zone 2 sene tie Pacific Heroes 0 Baseke Holy Stars 0 Asokwa Deportivo 1 Future Stars FC 1 Wafa West African Football Academy 1 Elmina Sharks 1 New World BRC United and Sono 0 Enzama Koroko 0 Swadro Blacks 1 Kimpon FC Academy 0 Sky FC 3 Nations FC 0 Cape Coast Mysterious Abontoa Drafts 0 Sefi All Stars 0 Soccer Intellectuals 4 Asekem FC 2 ano zone 2 Manchester etumia course zone 3 no say enetie ewaye Access Bank Division 1 League no zone 3 na God FC 1 Atam Division 1 Liberty Professionals 1 Vision FC 0 we na big game papa and to Josusu Bribi 2 Uncle 2 United 0 Tamayut 0 Volta Rangers 3 that's the Volta Rangers kwachi Tamayut opo na kamiensa 1-2 Akuffo Semper 2 FC Nania 2 Kwando Out of Lions 3 to the Mighty Jet 0 Akachi All Stars 1 Akosomo Crystal Palace 0 A5 Ransa and so Golden Kicks and then 3 p.m. and as a game so and as a sam match no and so no ebetumi akoso yenhwem ayesenia table netie ewe ye Access Bank Division 1 nimu na yemfemfiro emfama dia zone 1A no say na table netie ewe ye Division 1 nimu zone 1A table no Techiman 11 Wonders after 18 matches no ekwa 34 points Steadfast Etosumienu ekwa 28 points Steadfast abo 17 matches the BB United Etosumiensa ekwa 26 points on about 17 matches Wasunta Ansono Etosu 9 ekwa 26 points Mana FC enum ekwa 24 points Enciano wire asene ekwa 22 points Kasana Nankana United atoso enso ekwa 18 points na afenso no kumbum bimbiem enso na toso 8 positioner ono ekwa just 10 points where zone 1A table no zone 1B yenpiemu na yemfa table no to John ma odi abofa kwata na esu yire pebre edin kan ekwa 39 points after 18 matches Young Apostles enso toso mienu ekura 33 points and Kranza Warriors etosumienta ekura 30 points Wamanafo Mighty Royals etosu 9 ekura 30 points na Krobia Wamanafo no goalkeeper no classmate Gerard Demsa and Bofano sa Balfour Soccer Academy tosu enum ekura 26 points Bronx Akropong United etosu entia and BA United no ekura 20 points after 18 matches Berkuma Arsenal etosu enso ekura 19 points and afinso Unity FC Anonso no afi 18 matches no or -6. Let's say anonso no Nidia no yankona fenso no aye zone 2 and it table no tie Sky FC etoso and edin kan after 18 matches ekwa 44 points Nations Football Club etoso mi no ekwa aye 36 points Swadro Blacks etoso mensa ekwa 32 points na fenso no Nzema Koroko etoso na ekwa 31 points Asekem FC toso enum ekwa 25 points Future Stars Academy etoso ensia ekwa 25 points New World BRC United Abdul Salam Yakubu ni team no also ekura 7 and also 7 position ekura 25 points Kimpon Football Academy also watche also ekura 23 points West African Football Academy Wafa also 9th position ekura 22 points Pacific Heroes also 10th position ekura 18 points Soccer Intellectuals also 11th position ekura 18 points Elmina Sharks Dr. Pakwesindom and so ekura 17 points also 12th position 13th position All Stars ekura 17 points 14th position Adokwa Anase Deportivo yes Asokwa Deportivo ekura 17 points and 15th position Mysterious Abontoa Drafts ekura 16th position Yawawe 16th position Zone 2 Baseke Holy Stars FC Anosono ekura 16 points and so Ewumu we Access Bank Division 1 and also the league table nina and so na the pro ɛwɔ dwumadie no mu yɛnkɔɛ Ghana Premier League na afei nso no yɛmfa nsɛm no mfimfiri hɔ ɛmfa ma deɛ ase ɛna results no ɛnspecifa ɛteɛ over the weekend match week 21 ɛwɔ the Ghana Premier League no mu ɛno kɔpie mu ɛnso deɛ a results ɛtɛ dwa na ɛsɛ ano ɔden pa bibia no Gold Stars ɛtena fie ɛwɔ bibia no Dance Park ɛne Akropong ɛde bɔ ani after 90 minutes no ball no ɛyɛ 1-1 ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ Evans Owusu ɛbɔ goal ɛde ma ɛyɛ bibia no Gold Stars anso apa aberante ne de Isaac Mensah ɛbɛte ka no ɛnso ɛde ma Akropong bɔbɔko no Tamale na ɛsɛ wɔn yɛ Tamale Derby real Tamale United ɛnso anhyɛ bi Tamale City ɛnso anhyɛ bi Dɔma Nana Jimambedu Park no na ɛsɛ Aduana Stars and after some media ma Osiminia and the boy near and they do job boys Aduana Stars I said can back home media man sono and to me anti Accra Sports Stadium that's so Oli Masi Oli Console Oli Juluju Oli Aye Rosalinda Oli Sabi War this season Oli Okoman Radio Olympics and Chebi Samatex and Sono and Chebi Kotoku Royals tie Oda Kotoku Royals and Senate Fee or Dow Theater of Dreams hey obviously baby and you baby Bejo and they do Aje Aye Kotoku Royals pa Kotoku 3 Kotoku Royals 3, Bechem United 1. Kotoku Royals 3, Bechem United 1. Sansuna Brekum Chelsea, ewa neno, Brekum Golden City Park, no Bakabako, Lagos Cities, and to me anti Carolina United, Echa Bako, and so Tromana FC, and so and to me anti League Table after match week 21, no, Baransana, no, and net 3 p.m. Ghana time, no, Accra Lions, Awan Crying, and so and Dreams FC. About sending Susa something got a connection first game no and then paying for and so to me at to Asada 29th match and you quada Sagdano and a game no about so Ghana Premier League table Senate here Aduana Stars can equal 39 points Accra Lions Atosumenu and then our game equal 34 points but United Atosumi and San equal 33 points at the folk Atosu 9 Apo a year 21 matches equal 32 points as Santi Koroko Atosu Num equal 31 points no Abo a year 20 matches Golden Stars and as a Gold Stars BBNE Amotosu Insia equal 31 points Mediamam Atosu and so equal 31 points and Wacheno Brekum Chelsea Atosu and as equal 31 points Samatex Atosu and Kron equal 30 points Dreams FC Chelsea renew draw lose 10 for now. Dreams atoso edu equal 27 points. Real Tamale United atoso edu bako equal 27 points. Olympics toso edu mienu equal 27 points. And so Traman atoso edu mensa equal 27 points. Carolina United atoso edu 9 equal 26 points. Ken Faisal Alhaji Grusan team atoso etunum equal 24 points. Lagos Cities Mfa Emma Bobo Kono Ekura aye 23 points otosu eduntia edunso e Tamale City enso ekura 21 points and afenso no oda Kotoku Royals atosu edunwatwe ekura 17 points emso oda Kotoku amoyira omo ebefa 17 points na yache 21 23 24 krobia amoyira omo a ebefa papa enso no edi amom top scorer chat eni Ghana Premier League as usual Mizak Kefri Brekum Chelsea about 10 goals Samson Afis Konkoni, Bechem United 8 goals. Stephen Mukwala, Asante Koroko 8 goals. Abbas Amari, Accra Lions about 7 goals. Now Finsono, Branton Idin, Abednego Tete, and also BBN Goal Stars, and also Etimi about 7 goals. And so Ghana Premier League ma Yedimun Semina Sono, Bro Jumedi no so na yancha reactions be after match week 21. Coaches in summer. I mean to jump. And so now Ghana Premier League mo na Finson Yentua so and so and Fama Akropong-Akuapem mo and so had to folk Bobo Kuruma onu send coach and the team assistant coach David Oklu and so to me Gina bench and so chichong ma to folk APK I had 1 point and so no our year BBNE I had Dance Park and after the match no coach a year David Oklu and so then some attitude.
Outcome you were expecting from this game? No. Initially, I told you we're going to fight hard and take a good result home. I was expecting a win, but it's unfortunate we couldn't get a win. By a draw, thank God. And my boys were moving well. We had a clear penalty, but I don't want to talk about that. But the referee denied us. You see, this is a character of a good team. Okay? We went to go down and striker. So you could see that something is changing. One day no score, but you know what happened. So I think we are in a transition phase. So they will score gradually.
Final question. Is Hasselburg still in the title race?
Yes, of course. We have, let me say, 39 points more. So if you just imagine, 39 points.
And then some assistant coach David Oklu after the match against Bichem and I said Bibiani go stars no and also etumeri to Joanna Okoman-Akuapem and so Bibiani catcher Michael Osei and no and head coach Barima Bibiani go stars Bobo Kono and also I didn't do the same to Joa.
Very disappointed, but that's football for you. I mean, was a game that we deserved the 3 points, but sometimes it happens like that. We were very organized. We were leading 1-0. We controlled the game. I mean, the opponent wouldn't get any opportunities. But very unfortunate that we conceded that last minute goal with a lack of concentration. Because this is the last minute. We need to focus. We need to be disciplined. I mean, and defend that goal. But it has happened. There's nothing that we can do. We need to learn something from it and then make sure it won't happen next time.
And then some Michael Osei and also no head coach and my Bibiani go stars and so no edit to Joanna Okoman-Akuapem and so no Olympics Akatia and your mad coach Bismarck Kobe Mensa Amotinafie and so and a summer text Edibani and no Ekowie 0-0 and a Bismarck Kobe Mensa and somebody to Ja and so any.
Okay, so from Great Olympics we have Coach.
You have to understand that, you know. But I think the future is bright.
How much of a bother is it to you that 2 games you've not scored?
Yeah, for me, I don't have to bother too much. I only have to identify the problems. That is what is important. You need to identify the problems and you can work on it. And I've seen that already.
Okay, Coach, we are the business end of the Premier League. I think you are just 5 points off the relegation.
Razak doesn't mean that he was not playing well or he's not playing well. It was a tactical decision.
And then some name coach and it answer Bismarck Kobe of a Great Olympics. And to January and then coach and Oka. I don't say the mathematics and can no coachy Olympics. And so then some kakra edit coach and Oka.
Playing according to my instruction. So I'm very, very happy with even picking a point at the Accra Sports Stadium here.
Lawrence, your take on today's game?
So, in fact, the mentality at training, the preparation was very high. And I told my players, this match is for me. So I expect them to make me proud by winning or at least taking a point back home. But losing to Accra Great Olympics will be of a mess to me. So, in fact, like I said, I'm really happy the performance of and the way my boys played.
And you know, coach and Walker at my summer text and so the 2 draft after say almost any Great Olympics and so no it's me at the point near game no beer and to me and football. Anfanto Nenyonko and so no Atina Moyanko PM1 and Fufromo and then former Oposta Shanti God head coach and any Thomas Dia and so let me kasa Eda Fred Nenu Niama Emwa Emma Neno Yalegano and Yakono Emwa Emma and then Yalegano to me 99 so poor organization our Yalegano Thomas Dia and so no it's me Tuja.
So
Nah, okay.
I've no color to go in and answer over South Africa in our market. No one I idea to come now, rock, and she never saw nobody in our cousin. Yeah, private seven. Yet, Jenny could I, yeah, best seven, yeah, man, yeah, just your copy, Yaba, and you. And go, Mava. And you want the mass, no man in life. You will play materials or but.
And then some neno Thomas Dia on a former Asante Gold coach on a sorry to Jana Ukona Fensu Kopium Asante Korokwa NCC chairman K5 Enzo Akasa Ochirama she mo ayem say ene aduaba ya bo na anu dano anya adwuma ana ye yurefi ayem say ye mo ya ozemo boa obi aboa duano ya bo na be ya adwuma bibia nso be ya adwuma ehia abotre nkakra ana anoma odinu musu ana akukọ odinu musu duabo no ewo pa
kwen bia so ebenye obi o pese okuti akotokoso kotokoti ni bia nya uye die ebenya so ye wadwene pa ba nye wadwene ene ye huma error enya ba wadwene pa so be die akotokodi a ni K5 de mechanical natural ebenya
Chairman K5 tie oze wa nye wadwene fine so be di born na di niye na wakode ya fine na mudi se wadwene mu se ubedi ati akotokwa Chairman K5 say muntie referees no osidu abo no eda ho etwa mu unya di ti akotokwa pan na jese dua no enya abo entiane ni sama Chairman K5 enso no atimi ede atu jansam no doso na mum ne sene fata sautenom enna na no pay yanso yede abro enso no ewo jumedi no so hayo Okoman 97.1 Global Sports ana asugusu onso no otie krobia sante atena se ebe wuram ne diamana ne nkomo ba na esefie enso no abeto aso na nka mo kwa unsam kakra Okwa United nsam no mo kabar ko biam se Enfant Church na on Okwa United Enfant Church
na Endra omu wini
yeah
na mwana you say hey baby awosi akan no
sentiram se chena no yede be se chena
baby awosi akan
bransu toye ene bransu anto nyina na pitch no Okwa United baby amobobo Okwa umemu no Okwa umemu
na no mo ne ade wo
o mpanyifu akuku dam twetwe wuro de bi eti obodi
MPs ni ministers ni nyina wo okay
they say about the current agric minister era Brian Champion
okay we baby Okwa bobo
Euro poku David Opoku num omunya ya MPs omunya fuo nti no Okwa United NS Chemist omunya fuo nti no Okwa United pitch na chena ebe wuram na zigi me chena no mepiama o mempiama o ene
Okwa udidi ane nanka yandi yandi okay and I tell you Okwa udidi party ane ne chena sa
Okwa United ana zigi mepiama o Ziggy.
Okwa udi party ane chire sa de mimudi de. Oh yes. Wonge juru keke no kra no ewe nenim. Ba asifimo. Because Okwa United wo yembe to Okwa United now pe the gallants Ghana football mo. Yes. Na ye.
Siki akonomo.
Oh masa. Na se wo mo boy FA final branche. Chale Okwa United Debbie, I say,
but always say wet and dry.
I say they are say cry. I say. Now, Senanya was it Edmonaka? Was it then? One more than Ekoka Debbie and Edmonaka. One of the ESCO members, I remember. Yeah, I think so. One more than Ekoye management director or Honoma or yes, oh Charlie, Mac. Enimado wana. Enimado. Yes, enimado.
The wet and dry in your mouth.
Ama enimado started this media thing. Or started to ya benenam some of the media houses in Libya be bon de uraso say team na mpanifo dia man nana afre no ne nana ne na kasa mpanifo na kasa nti obey na onu kra ye na adwuma kra ye nhu bebi ekokosi enimado
zigi peba akoto so na
Okwa unsem na kasa de aye bibia ho nti se ye be kan I think say ye nkomu ye na yen hwehwe mu ye na ya meka because me kai say either enimado ana say one of the Ghana school members ni bi wo mo fa no ebe ye enimado a ono ana ye say meni da nenim pa me kai 3 years ni I think. I think when to me am ye dwuma bia sa amboa.
Go United pa say almost second division.
Obai na anyeye. Ti ya be kwa ba na ya be hweke.
Okay. But china be wuram na editor akaka. Ewa no so ehunti no no. So kwa United price of Brighton Sparks. So no kwa bobo. Zigi awa no kwa United bobo. Zigi abe chire mo fam so chire say Empire so park. Awa no kwa bobo.
Kwa wasa.
Awa no kwa United bobo. Empire so Brighton Spark.
Kwa wasa mo de ka say.
Say hopa.
De bia wo bobo.
Zigi o dwono oda. Bobo ye stadium. Zigi dwono.
Ya be vie. Abrofo aba o. Abrofo ebien two Portuguese. Me ba be chire mo akire o. Wo mo picture no kra ye mi wia me ho na me say bi ha. Mi wia se mi twa we say abrofo de won we ka say ade na me illegally. Mi ask permission bia na mi twa wo. Na mi twa wo foni sa. Yes. Say no breaking news ye de be ba ye ba fie a. Portugal fo ebien aba. Wo mo de wo ma mia wan kitwa ne. Wo ma ba. Inti wo de ye be ba. Okay, mu aye de. Wo de wo Ziggy. Andra me.
Ziggy, baby, children say I brought this back. Damn. What pack? Come on. Don't me and deal with way. I try to be best fena. Best start we have a children. Damn. Yes, you are the pack you so. I'll go United didn't have a got a channel myself. It's no. Grab your way. I want to now I'm ready.
Well, okay, before that, happy birthday, pa, and confirm Captain John McLean. Yes, George Mum. Okay, Captain George McLean. Mi senior pa bakon. Or Adwa TV. Or Gan. And chi na newscaster elho. Intino happy birthday kese pa enko enfama Captain George McLean. Na bibia so into me enye kama nefe minchia keche trend fashion designers guys no. Bibia ekoso ene juada intino enioma betumi akonkan pa kama na bibia etumi kama nefe minda aboafo ne aden so a keo eyi nso no Saturday ni bibia ye kama intino wo mo ba be boy ma bibia especially me ekura hofo no 3 fo ne buy pa wo mo buy papa intino minchia obi bia na nioma nso enye kameke back to business uremu La Liga. I think the interesting results Anna Koso and Barcelona upon all the few injuries bia womunya to womu key players, not just player bia keke, but rather womu key actors of the game. So far as Xavi Chusi the starting 11 and then the trusted players into any other game a year concern. These are players they've been sidelined the last couple of weeks. I want to mean akwenya insi akan Enfama FC Barcelona. And yenina yenimsi Abrantia okan about Abrantia friend Pedri and Osman Dembele. Arao hasn't been consistent and Ubekaya the last way was suspension for 5 games in the last month. What cause suspensions and so I think onya yellow cards accumulation or serve by another red card or some so by and this time Oguso serve another red card ban. So I know my way nyina ya dia how FC Barcelona Gavin so no call suspension 2 days being so matches being so buy. So Abrantia your friend Robert Lewandowski and so call buy. Barcelona key members no na womo miss womo in action ewo other games mu by ni nyina mu no womu tumi talk also grind this certain key points results bia eno ebetumi aboa in their quest womu betumi ewini in the La Liga no this particular season no womu eguso ayeye in the European terrain enioma intumi ankoye Anfama FC Barcelona where they were kicked out by Manchester United in the UEFA Europa League. And now womu focus ni nyina no enso ebetumi akwakoye La Liga no womu another eye womu de share Copa del Rey say no so enyoma betumi akonkan in the first leg womu enya a respectable results and so over and a team my friend of Real Madrid and so our way one move back or Tenefie actually in Real Madrid be in the second league now match said the Noma ebe to me in the Copa del Rey and to say Barcelona him say either La Liga and I say Copa del Rey they won't go home empty-handed this particular season and to at least one move to me a trophy no more to me present say the new era one more started the new era and our opinion friend Xavi led by one Laporta the president or by in the first season or also by Alboni and if Xavi so no what the Jumane man or by no the second no season when you full second full season when you after half season or baby Jumane fi Ronald Koeman say no on also if you know the first full season and so I Juma as FC Barcelona manager and this is a season a new players in to me about these players they would have to also adapt to the Barcelona system of play was a woman so say ube here team bonding players in Nankasa individually one more better as a team no more to me about when you know idea in this particular season in Guano was a Xavi and Penifo no and yena in Yoma and successful and Farmer FC Barcelona and I mean say nona Amanyoma into me ankuyi and Farmer womo Europe in the Champions League womo into me qualify from the group stage and in the Europa Cup and also playoffs no womo into me and progress and fanko womo ni no eka new players womo to me aba ka team no na any team bonding and so ehu behia cohesion understanding any bibia na womo ankasa team no ebe jelly to a proper formidable side na womo to me a grande much important games and also ehu here dia but in the local scene I think say womo etumi a show class La Liga ni mu a womo eye ejuma 9 points apart of Real Madrid this time the defending champions and Real Madrid is suguso Champions League and Real Madrid last season winning the Champions League and La Liga one more fancy in the Champions League more as compared to La Liga and to say Real Madrid energy level one more the ball in the Champions League now was so as compared to said one more the ball La Liga no. And then nyina ekauna eboa and if so Karim Mustafa Benzema this season enye consistent obo 2-3 matches biana oko injury last week obabe ball last 2 weeks obabe ball Champions League against team my friend Liverpool na enwe Jones samba biu na say inconsistency and so on afa any injuries and so into me emboan inti sa nyoma we nyina no coming together no locally eboa and team my friend FC Barcelona Atletico Madrid and ye nyina ye hwe ni mu say 2 seasons ago they were the champions woman so bano this time round a new man soon to mean conkai and so Barcelona take a swipe advantage over Sanyoma winina and a new man conkai ma despite a woman so face difficulties one to make sure say with the crop of players I want any say that confidence Xavier Diabre woman bought to that limit and then the results no suguso eba Abrante friend Rafinha unse oba no na enyoma Eshase konkan kakra or first 5 games are not boy no but at a certain point opening a friend of Xavi and making sure so or the Abrante Ousmane Dembele eba that the right hand side of the attack and way to me limit Rafinha the game time kakra FC Barcelona and from there Ousmane Dembele or stepping so well at Barcelona in terms of assist he was leading the Barcelona's team assist chart on a no lead Anna a face a band goes so annoy the second top scorer to Abrante your friend of Robert Lewandowski after say ni injury ni by our so teenage but I think say after say Ousmane Dembele concheno Abrante your friend Rafinha are stepping in so well and the much important results goes to share at FC Barcelona now or the second top scorer at FC Barcelona 6 goals 4 assists and away to me and said 10 goals involvement and Abrante to me FC Barcelona and the last 2 games 6 crucial points in down to Abrante friend of Rafinha Obeka last weekend share 1 goal against Valencia and that was the only goal Barcelona to me share at the PK 3 points and then Drada and so ewo bebao crucial moment onya that Olive goal and so etima FC Barcelona again and the last 6 points in has come from Abrante friend Rafinha making sure say without Abrante friend Robert Lewandowski this time on also to me and find the back of the net no was stepping in so well on also making sure say much needed goal no obetumi a share the Aboa FC Barcelona and then also Aboa ama Barcelona and your man so no etumi akonkan hu be hia say Lewandowski ebetumi a find back in the goal scoring route because o she go a check akra o share movement or the share first 13 goals na o share the last 10 games na wa born in the goals na or the my na I think say nya dia a positive for FC Barcelona but so far enyoma ekonkan so edema Rafinha and ono so eboa ama Barcelona then much needed wins enso e La Liga ni mu endra ana openia your friend Mikel Arteta ebo in the 167th games and so edema Arsenal as their manager since our free Manchester City ebe take over 2 seasons in 167 matches and away to me about and onya 100th win ne 100 victory andra okukonya e Fulham no eno so etumi abo anti 167 matches no 100 wins 24 draws and away to me lose 43 matches and opening it to me lose a ene ukwohwe baby Arsenal da ewo ene league log no so ewo England da competing with teams beat say Joseph Pep Guardiola Manchester City any Manchester United nanka wo mu hwenim se quadruple no ebetumi ayejuma former wo mu benya in recent times and wo hwe post World Cup na wo ma pick points than any other team and wo modern boy wo mo ebona and also anyoma eden e konkan edema Manchester United then came in team our friend Newcastle United na wo mo so show glimpses be say this time ra wo mo so betumi pull up a surprise be but Arsenal etumi stand it all wo mo benya injury with Abrante our friend Gabriel Jesus no ye key man ewo Arsenal wo mo anymore so far as wo mo goal creation and so a concern but Abrante and Kwe no edin stepping in so well and now in January we mutuminya the opportunity at the 2 key players eba beremu Leandro Trossard who happens to be the best player throughout the first round of the season Edimati my friend of Brighton and Hove Albion and so to me by Albano class 7 goals already and this time one also by no assist our man 5 assists so far 1 goal Edema Arsenal most of the games so we started from bench I think say another good sign in Edema Arsenal AB Fiap woman so squad Jorginho Frello and so from Chelsea midfield in a difficult situation difficult times na Thomas step atenya available or stepping in so well and Obekai woman Leicester City that super excellent winning goal on so to me as and share e de eboy ma Arsenal talk also share 4th goal no wo mutumi edinya as a particular victory no so I think say we nyina no e ya de Arsenal and so to me aye this particular season and e no ma eguso a e konkan and so e de ema wo mo ma bibia so no etumi aye fine Manchester City said the Obekai Joseph Pep Guardiola voice am boy no kan o say enya e den said this season Arsenal ebetumi lose 2 games straight and I said 3 games straight and if San ebetumi atwa Arsenal side there na be den say even any other team including on Manchester City so ebetumi catch up with Manchester team my friend Arsenal the Gunners because anya dia City so no ebetumi win all games into the moment I will drop no on so be drop o win na so win and nature say points gap on the eguso edem into at the end of the day mathematically nature say Arsenal will come as victors of the 2022-23 English Premier League, and on kakra Joseph Pep Guardiola can and indeed we sure Arsenal team will be and Chelsea won by 2-3 matches and won't pick any other point. A very very difficult to do a game of football BBA to missy but would the BBA tones and national analysis would the remove now calculate BBA I think say yeah current Arsenal team able to me happen a jama womo elho and also kakra and the ekoso elho hono muntino and also no eke wuhwemu Manchester United nanka quadruple no wo mo hwe nim so mbotumi aye but be do de e be den to win premiership no pa de e be den pa de ama team a ye friend Manchester United because enya de Arsenal former woman so ewu mu sisi ano nyoma betumi esi Guardiola etumi aka and even you would have to beat Manchester City for the second spot and sana way to me Arsenal then HAC Arsenal and this year no share points gaba that Arsenal any team my friend Manchester United mu 16 points today okay more than 16 points more than pa yes more than say more than 5 games was Arsenal losing 5 games straight now man you winning 5 games straight and no cry no there will be another 1 point in between them it is still 5 5 games I will lose in na City so losing in na Manchester United abanede. I don't think that would be mathematically even possible. League we log no so ntino and also kakra so Manchester United and na one more all chance to me win game no, but red card in a coco PM no, and even after the walk red card no, you how Eric Ten Hag to me ni team no, or you some offensive players at the midfield say to me buyer at least if nothing at all one more any that one important point, and so adequate to maintain that top 4 chase na eneno ebano o hwe for my Chelsea ade basisia na wo mo ba obi ani nda wo mo so wo mo that time ba o hwe sisi a points difference na 1 win any a lose and a draw to one more that we na otumi esan be 3 teams straight ho edeba and yen share last weekend even Liverpool and so etumi e share Manchester United that time na Liverpool no dan fa no Chelsea that 10th Liverpool that 9th but just 3 points you be a page our mo de won be do and now Liverpool was seat positioner one we quit 42 points na say 6 points na Manchester United at the SC Liverpool this year even top 3 nim teenager say be able to me see our league depending on in teams how will be able to me pick any point to be able managing the games able to me about any points won't be to me accumulate and so at the end of the season but so far there are things Arsenal one more eguso himself league one more be to me win ma bibia and so to me akonkan
okay and ko bia there and so our manane and honestly we share the English Premier League, the Spanish La Liga. Barcelona on 10th and they leading the league table of the Spanish La Liga by 9 points. But I mean, come for star 787 us and for ML star 787 us and no and anaba obia so no at the APC and so no etumi edi egu ni bottom na you say bibia akoso kama and so na the amount ni for phone na no about star 787 us star 787 us. Na say what you see option 1, what you see option 1 we are na say no what the tickets na say number of tickets are best auto no auto na ne odi umomo pin no and so na timetua na you say also no wako wanim star 787 as star 787 as and Americanfo and so no edi ama na jumedi udi anhye kakra da ho say na also no wa share no and so open chichi mu bi afre 0559689948 0559689948 and our WhatsApp number is 0272636448. Like I say, also the Akko and Nimshan said they be no Akonya so be win 10,000 Ghana cedis. They be an Opebianson Yamau a year chop money. Now it's also the Gubo Tom. Now the Didi. Now it's no tickets now. Yes, I'm 100 Ghana cedis. Now I say also no. The Eddie can't get star 77 as a jackpot on also made there be 700,000 Ghana cedis. Akonya horse on so be dim. Edi egu ubotum and so ewo ho amona no pay make come for and so no edi amount sanso na e kwa Isibia hotel and any hotel aba ebepim Akuapem ha obia ebo ni din ene opesa wo ye o conferences ope baby adwudwo ho aho bi na aba yi na pe baby do maso ye wedding bi ana pe baby ede ho aso wankasa ho opesa wo living a new environment make come for kwa Isibia hotel and so no to me ede amount na your rooms in it krobia dibia mekase abrabo na ye bono you on levels obi ne kan obi an na level you level and a class
levels home eke kwesi bia hotel ho ya okay me a many gani
odi akohu
me won wie ye nyina na meko won wie bibia time wa ye de masa ye cut sword na me gina ho nti me de me ye me ko hopa me ko hopa papa entino who can na me faso na minchia safari teacher the only teacher in Spade
okay
yes safari mamichiano mamichiano ntino bibia konka ntino hotel ya kana asemu ide halala it say Akuapem region so no de no kware se na ye ba ku bi ya na first na ye na but masa pressure na wo mo de abane de ano odin
kwa Isibia hotel
masa
rooms no tie ye wo premium suite na premium suite no ye wo DSTV full bouquet ewo ho bo enjoy DSTV hotel bi aminim Oda room abesa o hwe channel we no na ne hotel reception ne kira o ne ahwe na hotel reception onu nu di ahwe no
onu no control room onu no
kira o ne ahwe what you see kada hotel no No reception e chira o say over share channel we. Me say say o do me say.
Remote grant now.
Remote that reception is not chira baby ahwe. Hey. But we am a full bouquet baby am start hwe bia. Wow they are to na hwe. Say Nickelodeon he say Super Sports hwe bia. Sanso na your personal butler. And so on a mini bar. Also bu ha. Enye ba bia na okwa obeso yi nanim chiro bia o tia se bi obenum za restaurant bia na hotel bia obenum bibi kakra na kwa je fi room
yes
e ba ho no abenum da bi we ye wo mini bar e wo room nim so tia se o room na wa je na odem no mini bar san wo ho
silence
so tia se ntini obeko ni bitter so obeko no eyi no na call and white men's and no na onim na washa na onim na no
okay
so tia se ntini ya san am drinks a papa drinks and bia keke baza wala food drink
masa
ya ma alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages mini bar ho do shower bia once a room bia for two
omo international wines ni ade wo ho
Spanish wine, Italian wine, you know, the room there for two no. Who say unya wa can't maybe na nko sawa. Mo sawo. Obi ehun ya ekoso omo to mo party kitu ebo dining one on one.
Great.
So tia say. Sansona your junior suit. So na mka say abrabon your class level.
Say abrabon there
premium suit, junior suit.
Okay.
And also no room numbers na 1428 and no mini bar and the DSTV ho.
Okay.
Ana your deluxe plus. Deluxe plus iPhone phone cry on the plus one room your deluxe plus
okay
and then room number 1 to 4 20 to 21 9 to 12 there's a rooms numbers in no deluxe plus and deluxe plus room numbers on 1 4 20 21 9 12 and a deluxe plus and that's your mini bar any DSTV
na just say any environment na nkasa ni DSTV environment just say
Kwesi Bia hotel and I make am for the amount and a deluxe
okay
deluxe the announce no
dear
wow no and no and room number 5 8 yes 14 17 21
ejuma
do kwa na so pay deluxe ni ma key number 5 can you say oh mini bar oh DSTV so
okay
and I know your Kwesi Bia hotel ni hotel is obi abo ejele samba
no
hotel Kwesi Bia hotel
orefa ha bua fa manfin urem Toronto kwan so Barbados wono ma
Barbados
ubenkum so ufia na ukwa ubenkum so ufi manfin na oreba unifa so
Barbados oh wow so say Kwesi Bia hotel so kakra
masa compound no
we anya say boys and be kira mo hide out we anya hide out
gym center wom
gym wom yes so ya no pa be exercise ni room pool
gym ho
bia swimming pool e wo ho just say event centers
yes
e wo ho conference room kakra e wo ho just say for the pam the MCs this is MPs people be a conference and sorry and the political parties here ni say nchembo kwa abatu mu ni nyina say mo
secret meetings bi ni ade
ni nyina no Kwesi Bia hotel Kwesi Bia hotel
masa nipa kura no yaguo ntino dada na winimu na go nipa ago masa
ubegware aje wo the bucket kusuma ukugware hotel bia minim eyini da bi shower or just say modern bathhouse
okay
no sa proper warm water o press na
warm aba
o pe cold water press na guso jacuzzi e wo ho so ti ase nti Kwesi Bia hotel
and super media yi de wu se wo boss wa me no media goru wo me dada nti na me se michi safari ni media goru wo pa okay
na Kwesi Bia se ben ka sem ba ko on the weekend on the 18th
yes Saturday
I say weekend live band I say live band waba na o say o mini band na o ni baby girl no mo dwendwe mo tutu bi kakra no yes am live band na mo dey atwa na ase okay yes I know na shall weekend
okay
yes I shall weekend I mean sure say between weekend bia it want to pass through weekend yeah next weekend
okay
obeba ni for weekend oba live band the same the amount sounds that's what feel yanka sentini nya Kwesi Bia a hotel I or Barbados. Now numbers ni obua for booking and reservation. Booking and reservation. Ebia weekend ubeba. But don't be so beba na room nasa. Intene utie me afre. Na pe room no.
And abia ope more info
about a hotel na tie.
Yes.
0303. Me the numbers they are missing easy. Me are careful. 0303 961 9 989. T 0303 961 989. Ana 0200 T 0200 083 434 0200 083 434. Mr. Numbers, be careful. Because me, easy say me, I was in my zone on the head office one crime. I'm here. Now, so me born numbers, you know. It's a quite Sibia hotel.
Yes.
Quite Sibia hotel.
Yes.
Boys, baby girls on the weekend, you do cry now, but say, catch man on our own plan to do. Yes. I don't know quite Sibia hotel.
Enche Kotoku ebe hosti Kotoko ewo deuha. Nti Nana Amponsah no David Obin Kotoko contingent na mo ba baby a mo be bold dreams na ye ma mo kwen sese masa sese ehon mo buy no lusu yi ye nga na ye de mo course a hotel ho mo lusu game no nti sese mu nkokwe isibia
heart of focus so be ba
asen so be ba ha
oba kwesibia hotel
eduana stars do ma fo na mo ban
eduana abako nti me dia ma
eduana ne Kotoku
yes eduana so be ba Kotoku
say dreams in we nyina wa hantino more teams beba
yes nti ba ye kwesibia hotel kwesibia hotel who place mba dadwetwo mu ho ye enye hotel bia mo se place ne ba na wanya hotel papa na bed no wo so wonam ye wona ade cha wa kosu
hweda no Saturday na ye frɛ David Obin wa ha
yes
wu say hotel na ye de ya nga ye de man on na so no ho masa
nti no ye kwesibia hotel
eno ana ye nga kan kwesibia hotel
rooms ni bu ho
yes
hotel me modi
ana we no won say nti na every year bia no ye de ka foforo mo we 2023 edition latest Kwesibia hotel 2023 edition
latest in town
hotel Biani Mountains Hanum aye 2023 edition
Dabi Kwesibia hotel
ne wo ho no kra so 2023 edition standard no wo fam
na bed no rooms ni me rooms ni wo bed no massage ni ade nti ade wo ba sore no unti ya bia aku bia wo achie yi ano da sore a o just say bed no pallet na pallet and then we were body and so come for pallet and two bed so
yes Jenny masa adepade ye adepade no ana eton
no adepade no Kwesibia hotel all the for be come na adepade na what's nuang no so de continental local na ochirima nyoma bi reba so Kwesibia hotel
eno wo friend local dishes
nyoma
Akuapem version akan food we say apart from say ye can the local no akan akan food akan food
yes bibia wombi nyoma weekend live band do na den so the baby girl no ti wona uti nyoma no che na live band no kwasa
enejo
Saturday 18th
enejo dede sa copy fida inti Saturday Sunday ye to me fanye bribi
Kwesibia hotel ana me kan for the no boys no mark munim na my afa boys no nim na obey ntino
yes
boys no wonim what you do no 100 rounds ntino
Kwesibia me boys wo mo kwa chiri complain mo Kwesibia
na me ka story bia Chelsea get bia akra ne boyfriend si holiday atwam na anu ye okuje na ni kakra na boys wo betu wakanda o na geri kwa wajujwo no ho a je se pu isadi waje ne drink on o be ti so a the boyfriend na wa krana to okuje ne boyfriend so na girl
foforo so bese ba honoma so intina Kwesibia ha no no ye de we no
a friend then
silence one
aba
yes
underground wo
and no pese wo be ba main bar ho no bi be
mini bar ho
community bar ho e ho de wa
obi a me bisa say da asem
o mba main bar ho no mo be ye hwe
enti no Kwesibia hotel me say Barbados ofi man fina ba o nifa ofi Akropong na orokwa e o benkum Barbados Kwesibia hotel and also I don't know akrobe enwura mo fie quick one Ghana Premier League na china Black Star squad na be wurom na dia na coach Adama the Black Starlets and satellite Black satellite coach Samuel Boadu and name squad and so another preparation and so ho ntino we name first batch no call up no we are na 20 national men's team no yes and we name first batch ntino we prepare we dey nyina be wurom Ghana Premier League weekend.
Well, okay, I think the Ghana Premier League, you know, yen to me Ghana ye under 20 tournament to me a course no Africa no so ento sa because though unse ezani se Ghana ye ntumi an qualify an ko bi nintino na ma ho nsem no na krum ha ne de enhyeda nje din sa but endro na yetumi de ba na wi enti se zigi de ne Senegal celebration no ebetumi atoso a na Amanfo ehu hawa players ne tumi agi wo mani ho Senegal because wo mo ball ho modern pa o share the last couple of months wo mo etumi aye ejuma from the senior level eba into wo mo under 20 no and woko uremu ewo ye per league uyi ewo Africa hanum na league no uyi ene best squad that womo ewo the local league ni mu ewo Africa ha ye friend no chan tournament no so a enu ye nyina ye yi league bia ne oman bia eyi ne best 11 and I said the best squad woman na womo de akwakohie mu abosa chan tournament no and then so Senegal fo ya ana etumi lift this particular trophy no ewo ho and then under 20 ye penkoda womu ni mbo na womo mfi no so no embru 20 years no womo so mbra emekere ombobre ewo African continent iso a womo so ko ya Senegal fo ya ana asanso etumi akwako wini encheye ana beach soccer and also ye other sporting discipline etumi akoso and also Senegal frukuru ya ana etumi ekokoje ansana 2021 AFCON na ye born 2022 and so ewo Cameroon yi and also Senegal womo senior team no men's team no ana womo so etumi ekọ lift up this particular trophy so share the year under review eba be remu no ake the last couple of months no ejuma Senegal womo ne sports we know etumi aye de aba be boa no ano odin papa all the disciplines no womo eboa baby a womo feel say womo ye strong no womo eko all out eko akowini and we know meteme no as a nino era so what I say Senegal womo era ana enenu yaba bedumu no and movement ye wo musisi ana do di bibia ba Senegal for na things say wo mo betumi aye justice say to me e de akọ amanioma etumi akọboa e ho no mutino ye bebo wo abaso say enei left, right, center, baby bia all Senegal so far as African football concerned as we speak. So until say some of the countries in the so abebo modena the next AFCON abeko the next China yebebo the next under 20 beach soccer and other disciplines you to me engage in was a particular various tournaments yebo Africa hano until so be to me ascribe all these trophies from the Senegalese national teams, I think for now a one moment, a one more era, and I was say one more enjoy to any limiter, one more paint. I under more my basso na in your man so no into me and so I am conking and farmer Senegal and so elho. Mikopia more deal and rata and unim say the sole rep so far as Eastern regional football concerned. Achim Oda Kotoku Royals. And proud before the start of Bet Power Premier League 2022-23 no aharia fidwe yimu ha na yefre eneno Kotoku Royals for catch them say league ya mo abemu a ye nyina ye nimu say Oda Stadium enye ready de anka mo ba be piemu ewo mountains yi so na mbo piemu ni dreams ebebo ha anka ebetumi aboa eneno so no supporting base no ebetumi akosoro as compared to say my waju say mo de beko bebia mpenifo ante ase pejan kikire efa ene transportation ne ehunioma bia wo mo de gugu akwan mu kire yen a me de bepem ne Antomas muda a wo mo de kopie mu o Cape Coast o mo kopie wo Cape Coast no eke ye nyina ye hu games on koboy 9 games mfaso papa bia entumi empiem wo mo home games ni mfaso papa bia entumi empiem amfa ma wo mo atena ase ye hu se wo mo si sebi kwase an yetia na show aso prensa enti sa na te party a ene ye besa nso akoyen akiri yen an ye dan ye chie de chiri Akuapem Mountains for na mum sese ne de ye besa nso akọ na ne o ma etumi akonkan second round of the season no wo mo e de aba be piemu ewodew ene no kra no enti a eba ne ne a wo mo ka kire according to wo mo PROs ne ade ne nyina kire yen se womo ehwenim se first 2 games pe ana womo betumi abo ana kire se nkandrada ana womo wie womo adwuma ewodewu eke first day openini kan sa asem no wona wona ne ye interview no ye wie interview na me ka kire se oboa mini Kotoku honom bi ana but me as in journey dia mehu ene se dia mehu the standard of Oda Stadium na da hone de untumi nka nkyerɛ me sɛ wodi 2 weeks wodi 1 month eba be complete nti ano ne de okan ya okan ne keke enya ade abe so abapa and said the nneoma akɔ no nso de ye nyina ye ngehu sɛ enya ade betumi abemu sa na emum no still na Kotokuro ya subsequent games no wo mu betumi asanso abo more nti wo ana wonim ana wutie ne once per se wo mu se wo mu bo first 2 games per wa ha na wo mu mbobie no eno de enye sa na asem ne tene sisi ya no dynamics no ayeden etumi asesa nti achemoda Kotoku wo mu ba ha eke wo mu first game na wo mu bo ewo team a ni home venue any we were Theater of Dreams or they were a Dreams FC wo mu ba be share Dreams FC by eneno 3 goals and sad 3 goals neke hwe modern ba branch e friend no Collins Kofi Kujo about 2 goals to sada no ana Francis Andikumi e de ba ko kan wo mu kwa we kokko Lucy to Zatreman and back one more second successive home game one more airball ewo eneno the Theater of Dreams no one more buy no one more onso asen anso aba benya sa victory no ewo hono ma endra Collins Kofi Kujo esanso nya another goal and a branch friend of Francis Andikumi esanso nya another goal so now one more to me share 6 goals in their last 2 games one more to me share and so ewo internet is Kotokuro Royals enioma konkan de ema Kotokuro Royals nti yambo amabaso na yenhwe se dia wo mu games aka no se dia wo di table no 2 gua no de hu se wo mu tokoso na wo mu ye consistent wo mu winnings no mu ana se especially wo mu make sure se wo mu home games ni de if nothing at all enya dia wo mu be drop 2 points but rather all the 3 maximum points no game bia bia no wo mu betumi apeke and I think say eno betumi aboa Kotokuro Royals ma wo mu make amends etumi asesa the fortunes na wo mu komu so far as a Ghana Bet Power Premier League no and so aye concern and you know I think say Jumasom ana neno womo aye coach a friend no John Duafo and Drada tactically otumi eye Juma manioma etumi konkan and womo central pair of defense abranta your friend no Richard Mensah and Fozi Ali aka and Dra solid left back war abranta friend no Joe Mensah and right back abranta Paul Abanga and later on into the second half 70th minute wonom kono womo eyi abrante friend no Joe Mensah ama enenu Paul Abanga no esan be take the left side na say left right wo nyina no obo osan be twa left back wo ye ama ni oma etumi konkan and then drag go abrante your friend no Richard Jikwe yes Jikwe e share no eke wow
and Kobia over to us ba mama Nancy phone lines no na to us so e wo 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191971 and 0205818748 0205818748 wait me afraba now I don't chair Ghana Premier League no and also nyina no watumi ere aba.
Yeah, intino fantastic strike and me hwe ni mu say goal of the month ne de obi antumi anhye go bia ebeso eni asen and drago a captain the Madrid team a friend Kotoku share ne dia ebetumi awi ni goal of the month.
I mean fa call you na emeto aso. Hello,
good morning.
Good morning, Pacho didn't be afrefi.
Pacho me dey CK akona me frefi okuga.
Hey coach, anopa bi bia fine.
Yes adomo.
My ntio
Yo, Ghana Premier League ne de kakra me wo kan wo ho ane se officiation na e hawo yan. Nti ya wo ho no wonhwe bibi kakra ma yen. Na ne eto so abie nso eye Ghana Blaster coach foforo na wa ban. Wonya abotre man ni bibi abeye. Amen.
Amen. Se friend Siki akono ono so ne de no I don't know. Hello. Okay. MZ Ntime nyina so 0551667755 0551667755 027019199171 0270191991 0205818748. Hello. Fire. Good morning.
Good morning. What's the thing?
Nyame adom ye hu ye na so hu ye.
Nyame adom.
Okay, nyame ase papa. My nti
Okay. Meka kakra fa Kotokuro Royals for Kotokuro Royals one was a 16 Premier League team, 17 Wakaway 18, what's your 17 leagues, Premier Leagues in Moba Bifia Sinanka, Moba, Mo Western region. Incident in say, Mufa Munku, Regas, Moko Cape Coast, Akropong-Akuapem matches, where I'm going to say, Aaron Moyamu. Moba Hanuma, and can you be a Modena Moda? Nti someone had a general, one cause say over ball matches in our no. I also have the support on that. To your colleague in the morning.
All right. Okay, fire. You said that's the sign of pay. Also, no fair by 0551667755, 0551667755, 0270191971, 0270191971. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good morning, Pacho. Didn't baby Afrifi.
Mama watching. The Akuffo Francis Dodo na from Lampard.
Lampard, I don't pay Bibia Kama.
Bibia Kama. I can't na metu kakra. If you go from na watch you.
Bia worry ba assemblyman out to kwang cry.
Makra me buro no so de makra wo nyina nim say metu meto kakra. Nti mefunya kwanse. Nya kwan we fi akoina we dia me fa so nam de chia. Abuasa Akropong letra area fu nyina no wonya we mu say me papa ba. I want to have my view of a juma. I want to have a post to know on Aqua. And then I'm now, my cat raves away or Daco to Royals. What started the Guinea penny in the case? And can be a confirm that they will because we won't just cover board. Sanka Dingal and Kubina is still reading for support. This will be a walk share or Kobu, Obia and Kawo, one quain or Kobo, no loose. If you move a ding, also about the one say results, a Ruku. Timabo about no 1 year one what cinema my still region from so then I rep back home never my answer. Nah, I am meeting Liverpool. I am a yapa say it my Manchester, you know, Yakuana Saka could you. By Yabamu or tonight, I say everything I call stay near Quay and what they'll be you be that. That's it.
Okay, Lampard, yeah, so yeah, that's it. So no offered by Akropong Junior Tiero. So watching the show live with the best DCE in Ghana, Honorable Jonas Morris Wood, DCE for Adanse Akuffo, the only junior Tiero shatter the whole Ghana. And they say Akropong Junior Tiero, and I pay my only Honorable DCE, Honorable Jonas Morris Wood, and I pay Yichamunina Papa. Elbebia Mobia Korea final first year
and say yebeko and say Tamale Debbie ni baso 0-0 na game na mihwe nim ye pa but I think say results no koyi de ma both teams no na Real Tamale United anana hosti Tamale City Debbie game pa big game pa to me of course we know the version of Olympics in the house of folk in face and Asante Kotoko and on northern part of Ghana and so one more ball Modendra and 0-0 results and to me a PM Elwendra I think say na a exciting game pa and so Elwon Mediana stars and so no a born no more than a jumano kama editia Mediama and Mediama de say ni one move femune de ebia one more and make sure say one more base stay away now we stay in the league then next season one more to me because in terms of management you know I think say one more nyanyoma right from the start of the season you know nyoma nkonkan afama we no yiko no yibasa so enya de a one more season one more to me nyani ye said ananka one more ehwehwe no with recruitment a one more year no na ye nyina ye ni mudia mediama ebe to me de aba in the league but into me amba so season no I think over for mediama in the FA Cup one more league no said the nyoma kono enya dia umbetumi akami close and I think it's a season no enya ko chimama wo manisa so to stay in the league the next season I think it's a umbetumi ahihye omunyama ye no mamba back.
Okay, into the best na nyame boa Friday na yinu Christian atu na yi no Friday another say Friday so this is 17th of Friday.
We said that you be see say that you see funu na important.
So next time what can eat because Saturday is a program so okay until now che we na yinu Christian atu penfo be hwe na wa pen kwabre and so no Ghana ha executive producer Era Kofi Anton Bafo Samson and Nana Kofi Okori Ajman Pa Solo Paradise Krobia Santi TWC the writer onya from afar a boy solo ya we say speedy recovery and all final kakranti no ya we know a speedy recovery Samson Ajo apoku yanso no eboy ama bibia ko Ziggy ene Donzi John Mark munya mo boy ama bibia yanso no kama me din Kelvin Amponsah Addi na me bo chena eba na eba to aso mommy's joint mommy anopay wincha papa hey Ziggy nkamire yefi o nkamire yefi hey ai Ziggy ba cha fa mama na yankwe na memfa birthday wish enso no entwam na yansore so happy birthday anopay en confirm Sandra Adama o Akuffo Technical University anopay my own so happy birthday Sandy we free here wadam for pa Josephine also we so happy birthday Sandra o Akuffo Technical University happy birthday enko emfa emau amebo achina ebeba na fin so no abeto aso enso no ewofia say edi nyame jaw.
Life be sweet, life be tasty like honey. Enjoy the beautiful things.